Assalamualaikum my YouTube family. Welcome to my channel Solution to IT. As you know, we have started our MS Office course. In the previous video, I have told you that how can you open or save file. Now in this video, we will learn the command of cut, copy and paste, as I will share its shortcut keys at the end of the video. So try to be connected and watch the complete video till end. So guys, let's start our video with the name of Almighty Allah. As we have to learn the command of cut, copy and paste, so we have these commands under the option of home tab. So before applying the command of cut, copy and paste, we have to type some text here so that we can apply the command of cut, copy and paste. As you can see, I have already typed the text here. First of all, I want to apply the command of cut, so I have to select the text and I will click the option of cut. Now we don't have the text here, so that means we have applied the command of cut. Now I want to apply the command of copy, so I will select it again and I will click on the command of copy. Now I have copied it and now I want to paste it here. So that for pasting the text, I have to click on the option of paste. As you can see, we have applied the command of cut, copy and paste. Now let me tell you about the shortcut keys of cut, copy and paste. If you want to cut the text, so you have to apply the shortcut key of Ctrl X. And if you want to copy some text, so you will apply the shortcut key of Ctrl C. And if you want to copy and paste the option, so you have to apply the command of Ctrl V. There is the shortcut key of Ctrl X for cut and Ctrl C for copy the text and Ctrl V for pasting the text. So guys, you have seen that how can we make our work easier and faster with the help of some shortcut keys, with the help of the option of copy and paste. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Till that, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.